Yan. Go!
What are you doing?
Yo, what's up? It's about my money. I don't care about her. I only care about the money. Yeah, I get it.
Nick, I know what you did. You're paid by Isabel to be my friend. So what? I don't care.
Are you Michelle? You forgot this on your desk in our classroom.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks. It's been a long time since someone invited me to sit.
That's okay. Don't be sad. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Arya, and its meaning is from the Greek mythology.
Oh, that's interesting to know. Such a magnificent name.